everyone. Woo! Okay, this. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to the video. I am going to be doing a room tour, house tour, whatever. So, I'm getting bikes. Please stop doing that. So I have an automatic, I have first a small little, whatever this is. So this is automatic. I'm gonna have a nice white car. Then we have this nice little door. I'm going to turn. Oh my gosh. OMG. Okay. So I have the dining area. This is an area. This is not gonna be used often in my role plays. So then we have like a nice little trash can. I'm gonna take a glass of water and throw it away. So but to say, can I not empty it? And we have these cabinets filled with items. So yeah, we have this. Nothing's in these cabinets down here. We have that stuff. I'm gonna show you the guys the outside later. Got a nice little railing. These plants are not my type. I do not really like these plants. So we have a little bathroom right here. I'm in love with this bathroom. It is so adorable. So cute and nice. I really love it. Shout out to Cinnamon something, whatever her username is. And this is my bestie's room, Nina. So I didn't get to add anything on the shelves and stuff because like I'm so lazy. I had to get robux to be able to buy some stuff. About 50k. I ended up spending it on my car because I didn't have a car. So we have some of these little cute ones. And then this is my room. Like, if I'm a kid, oh wow, okay, hold on. Yes, I would like to boost my mood. Okay, so yeah, I have that stuff. I did have a laptop, but I ended up deleting it, and I'm gonna add it back because this is just so plain without it. But I don't care. I hate these plants, they're not my type. I have this and stuff. So, now we have Jamie's room, JJ's room. Most of the time, I'll be in this room if I'm a kid. Mama's gonna be so mad I didn't do my homework. I better finish. Okay, whatever. So, yeah, this is just the room. Okay, now for outside. Ugh, why do I have to be so laggy at some time? Oh, wow, that was a big lag. Alright. So you guys can see a little something. Hopefully they finish the treehouse. Oh, I'm gonna be so mad if they didn't finish the treehouse. So I was gonna add like a pool, but I didn't. So why would they move it? I had this slanted for a reason. So like whenever my child goes down this is exactly what will happen. They're gonna hit their head and bang. Okay, sorry about that. So yeah, that's the reason why I don't want it. I had a sense. So we have the little swing. Okay, no, I can't get on it. I just wanted to show you. So I don't know why she made this. If she didn't finish it, oh, she did finish it. Whew, have mercy, relief. That's a relief. Ooh. Okay, so I guess it's not a treehouse. Well, it is a treehouse. I probably should have added like some trees around it. This is a lame thing right here. So, yeah. Okay. What? Anyway, okay. So, it's 1:03 in like in real life for me, like America time. Yeah. So, I'm gonna buy some more. I have a cart still, but I'm just going to stack up on some so I can give my bestie some. So I'm just gonna keep buying it. And I put it Adopt Me. I gave all my pets to someone else. But I still have my fly and rideable potion still with me. So I'm really in love with this house. So yeah. Okay guys, I'm really sorry. Someone was in my account. I had to change my password real quick. Like right after I paused it and stuff. Like my account and stuff. Like it was like same, like it was like same account launched from different device. So with that being said, I got really scared and I started panicking. So I had to hurry up, find my pen, and then change my password. So luckily my pen is locked. Let me make sure I cannot. Okay, I have to have my pen. And now for security, I'm going to do this. So 2-step. Okay, because I'm just really scared. My bestie is on. Here she comes. I'm gonna join her game. Hopefully that was just her in my account. We don't know. I know her password because this account right here is my cousin's account, but he got a new phone and he don't want that account. He got a new account. So I'm just gonna tell her I'm recording. Hey Nina, was you in my account? So if she was in my account, I'm not gonna be really scared. But if she wasn't, I'm gonna be like, cause like earlier, it like disconnected me or something. Cause jump if no, walk if yes. Jump if no, walk if yes. Jump. Okay. 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 Okay, so I'm just telling her where I'm at and stuff. I guess I'm going to like. Oop. I'm so dumb. Okay, can you guys hear that music? Hopefully you guys can't because that music. Oh my gosh! Ugh. And this is exactly why I hate Tower of Hell. Like it's so annoying because they want you to rage on this game. So I'm just gonna be playing this game for a quick second. She's probably mad at me. She's probably mad. So I'm gonna have to end this video really soon because I don't have the payment plan for this video. And ooh. What the heck? Ooh. Hold up! Ooh. What was that? Oh, okay. I do not care. Why did you have to come up? Oh, someone made it to the top. Oh my god! Oh, have mercy. See, this is exactly why I hate this game. Times 2. Finally. Oh. What? Want me to call you? Because if she wants me to call her, like, jump if yes, walk if no. Jump if yes, dance if no. So. Dang! Why can't she type? It's annoying! She know how dumb I am. Like this game is a jumping basics of the Oh, she left the game. So I guess she's gonna call me. So I'm gonna need to buy some more Robux real quick. So let me go ahead and buy some Robux. Yes, I'm gonna show you guys my credit card number. Should I get premium? Even though it's not gonna last forever, I'm gonna get it anyways. I don't care. So are you ready to see my credit card number? I don't want to add her anymore. I'm just picking random names. So now I'm gonna pick Cherry, Toxic Cherry. And and even though I know her videos are fake, I don't really care at this moment. Toxic Cherry. Are you not gonna add her? She didn't do nothing to you guys. Oh gee, what is her? Okay, unicorn. That's the first code that came to mind. Yes, Ashley the unicorn. Psych, I'm gonna be showing. Oh, Robux credit. What's Robux credit? And then it's all downloaded. Okay. I guess I'm not gonna show you. Submit folder. Thank you. I guess I'm not gonna show you guys my credit card number. My Roblox number 997-340-3094. There's my Robux. It's fine. Okay. So this video is about to end in 5 minutes. It's 3:33 right now. So okay, she's off. I'm just gonna you can call me if you want. You can call me if you want. That's up to you. If she calls me, I'm going to have to you know, pause the video. Cause y'all can't. Oh, I got premium. Hey, I didn't do that. Y'all can't see my friend's phone number. How about that? How about that? So yeah, this. Ooh, Flickr! Oh my gosh, there's a new update. Oh, update. Ooh, OMG, I need to buy some stuff for Flickr because I love Flickr. I'm gonna buy some like stuff. Redwood Country Play Now. I like emergency response. So no thank you. Okay. Dang! 598! This is no fair. Okay, I don't even want to buy anything. I think I'm going to go to emergency response and buy some stuff. I don't know what to buy, but I'm here that up. Okay. Comment down below if you guys want me to make a what is wrong with my mouse? Comment down below if you guys want me to make a emergency response video, roleplay video, and comment down below if you want to see me play this. I quitted Adopt Me. I gave all my pets away. I still have friends that play Adopt Me. I mean, yeah, today I got on there to see what was up and to see if the update was out or something like that. So yes, I got on there, but I officially quitted. I gave all my pets away, but I kept my my potions because I gave my unicorn away for some potions. Okay. Premium houses! Yes, I want it. I want that, but I feel like I shouldn't buy it. Dang! Dang it! That chicken smells so good. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, so now I need to buy these real quick. Hold on, guys. Be right back. So as soon as I get ready to leave, it wants to do it. So what happened? Oh, guys, you don't know how paranoid I am. Like, imagine you guys were like, open the news tab and stuff. What's wrong with this? Why is it blinking? Like this. Wouldn't you guys be so scared? I would. I honestly would. I am so terrified right now. I thought I lost my account. I was about to be so mad. Wait! I don't want that! Or do I? Ooh, this one is cute. I want that. Okay. So let's exit these out. These two are really cute. Now I know this one. Oh my gosh, that is. Ouch. Please, I won't stand. I have 68 Robux. I want that. I have no more Robux on my card. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to go to settings, you know. Take what's in there. I'm gonna have one redemption left. I might as well save that. Yes, my parents' email is in there. Why? Oh, I actually have two.